Is there been a land deal that you wish that you had said yes to?
Yes, actually a couple of them.
But is there anyone that like really stands out of like, oh man, I really could have built this like amazing community, or like, or just like this project would have been amazing to do?
Yes, there are a couple of them, and what it boiled down to at the time was there was topography involved. The price of the land was higher
than you'd like,
higher than we felt comfortable with.
So there's a little bit more risk.
A little more risk. The market was kind of iffy. And are we going to have to sit and hold this? What is our carry cost? Are we going to have to, is it really worth sitting and holding if we do have to hold it? Could we maybe buy it and then maybe parlay it into another opportunity?
I was like, if you might land bank it for a little bit.
Might land bank it a little bit, or might develop it and then sell off lots to another builder to create an opportunity for another community.
I would say
that.
That's interesting that you say that, because most builders, they want everything.
Sure.
They want the entire community. They don't want to share.
Yeah.
Although sometimes they'd have no choice. Sometimes they have those master plan communities where they choose 3 or 4 builders.
Sure.
But it's interesting to say that even as like a builder, that you don't mind like kind of like sharing that opportunity.
No, because sharing creates opportunity.
And it's okay. There's more likely that they're gonna want to share back at some point.
Yeah.
So they might present an opportunity for you as well.
Right.